a long time. I'll be marching from time to time, for I'm not gonna let the parade go by. You know that time marches on and so fine.
There'll be a change in music,
a change in rhythm,
a change in dancing.